Oats are an excellent addition to a weight loss diet due to their high fiber content, which promotes satiety and helps control cravings. Here's a wholesome and delicious home recipe for weight loss using oats. Ingredients. Start with a half cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of water or milk, dairy or plant-based, and a pinch of salt. Preparation. In a saucepan, bring the water or milk to a boil. Add a pinch of salt and stir in the rolled oats. Cooking method. Reduce the heat to low and simmer the oats for about 5–7 minutes, stirring occasionally. This cooking time may vary based on the type of oats used. Add nutrient-rich toppings. Enhance the nutritional value by adding toppings such as sliced almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, or pumpkin seeds. These ingredients provide healthy fats, protein, and additional fiber. Include fresh fruits. Dice fresh fruits like berries, apple slices, or banana on top of your oats. Fruits add natural sweetness and contribute essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporate spices. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a dash of nutmeg for flavor without the need for additional sugar. Cinnamon may also help regulate blood sugar levels. Protein boost. Include a source of lean protein like Greek yogurt or a scoop of protein powder to make your oatmeal more satisfying and supportive of muscle maintenance during weight loss. Use unsweetened milk. Opt for unsweetened milk to control added sugars. Plant-based milk alternatives like almond or oat milk can be excellent choices for a creamy texture without excess calories. Experiment with savory options. Consider savory toppings such as a poached or fried egg, sautéed vegetables, and a sprinkle of cheese for a satisfying and nutritious savory oatmeal. Portion control. While oats are a healthy choice, be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Stick to recommended serving sizes and adjust ingredient quantities based on your individual nutritional needs. This weight loss oatmeal recipe provides a balance of complex carbohydrates, fiber, healthy fats, and protein, making it a filling and nutritious breakfast or snack option. Remember to complement your healthy eating habits with regular physical activity for effective and sustainable weight loss. As always, consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist for personalized advice tailored to your specific needs and goals.